Alright, so what is up YouTube? As you can see, I got Whitey back here, and today's video, just that hat here, TKM represent. Today's video, a little different, haven't really done one of these before, reaction video. So if you want to skip me talking and skip straight to the reaction, I will post the time where you need to skip ahead right here. Finally got to take my pawpaw, my grandfather, never called him grandfather in my life, but finally got to take him in a ride in Whitey. I believe he had rode in it before when it was a 6R80, but I think I was on street tires. It was just, it's been a long time, and I can't even remember if I did or not, just to be honest with you. So we decided to throw the GoPro up on the windshield and get his reaction. Reason I wanted to see what he thought is because really he's probably the original like hot rodder of our family, I would say. I mean, he was in the 50s model cars, shoe boxes, you know, when they were filling things with lead and chopping tops and doing crazy stuff like that. Flathead V8s and stuff, that's what he was into. And so just wanted to, you know, show him what newer cars are like. I mean, my Uncle Kevin's got a GT350 2018, and you know, it's an awesome ride. It's beautiful. So I just wanted to show him, you know, the Coyote version, twin turbo and things like that. And the reaction was pretty awesome. Really, my pawpaw was probably one of the driving forces of why I love cars. Always used to buy me Hot Wheels cars and always would take me wherever, doing car things. He's the type of guy who would always pick up the trailer from wherever he went and bring it back for just to look at the different cars that were in it. He is the the reason, he's a big reason why I'm into cars. My mom's into cars, my dad not so much. My dad's more of a low and look good type thing, not really the fast, which I got a reaction video off him too, so that's gonna be, I'll post that one up soon, but that was great. But really wanted to see what my pawpaw thought, because he's more of the hot rodder. He is he's a Mustang guy, he's a Ford guy, he's always had some form of Ford. He's got a Lincoln Continental, something like that now, but he's had some form of Ford pretty much his entire life, save for like a couple of company vehicles or something like that. I will cherish this video more so than a lot of videos that I'll ever, this probably mean more to me than about any video that I'll ever put on YouTube, because he's probably one of the people that I look up to the most in my life. And so, you know, seeing his reaction of how he felt about my car was pretty awesome. Made me feel good, you know. I think he enjoyed it a little bit. So without further ado, check out this clip. As always, I'm not going to come back and do an outro on this video. It's just going to roll out. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, it's a V8. That's for my boost. Controls my boost, how much I put in it. I was just looking to see how much it made when I took my dad. It's back around your back there, Pawpaw. It's pretty hard to get to.
Yeah, I got it.
I appreciate it. but it's actually an automatic, but it's a manual valve body.
Oh, okay. You can
Yeah, I can change.
gears with it.
Yeah, it doesn't have an overdrive. See, I can.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Second gear may not spin as bad. It's fun. It's a little. It's fun. Transmission probably a little warm. Yeah. It was pretty. We got a little more sideways.
It's a 6-cylinder.
It's 6-cylinder.
Great. Have you had it on the track yet?
Yeah. It runs a lot better. We changed the converter. Converter was too tight
Yeah.
in it, and it would when I would shift to first to second,
Yeah.
the RPMs would drop because it was lugging it down pretty good because it was the stator was so tight in it. And I sent it back, I sent it back and had it loosened up,
Yeah.
and it woke it up a little bit.
Man, it's right. It'll run.
It's
Ain't
fun.
No doubt about that.
It's fun. It's a little
And
warm.
it's a what?
It's a 5 liter 302, but
It's
it's
a
the new
302.
style with the 4
Okay.
valve heads and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
like that. So,
Good.
oh yeah.
Great.
What's up, buddy? It's
Hi,
fun.
Man.
It's
Hey,
fun.
you man.
What do you got in your mouth? Cake pop.